Easy Access Suitcase Trifold AS. The portable Suitcase Trifold AS Ramp, with its unique threefold design, allows for ultimate portability when longer ramp lengths are needed. Highlighted features include: the ramp is designed to be used and carried as one unit, or can be quickly separated into two individual sections for easier transportation and reduced handling weight. It has an interlocking hinge, which reduces pinch points. Heavy-duty ergonomic comfort handles, which are flexible and are not susceptible to breakage. It features an applied, slip-resistant surface. It has self-adjusting bottom transition plates and solid top transition plates, allowing smooth transitions both on and off the ramp. Available in 5 lengths from 5 foot to 10 foot with a usable width of 29.5 inches. Easy Access Suitcase Trifold AS ramps feature an 800-pound weight capacity, are Easy Access lifetime warranty, and are made in the USA.